Welcome to Craftsember, a December weekday journey into creativity and inspiration. I'm Suzanne, a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, sharing paper crafting ideas to spark your imagination. We're going to explore some techniques and celebrate the joy of crafting. I may share projects using multiple products, last chance products, scrapbooking ideas, crafting kits, or fun folds. You never know, I might throw in a 3D object or two. So whether you're a seasoned stamper or just getting started, there's something here for you. Let's dive into today's video. Well, hi kids, welcome back to another video. For today's card, I am featuring the Yuletide Village stamp set. I'm making slimline cards. And I'm also going to use the sentiment from the Peaceful Season. I honestly have been using the Peaceful Season quite a bit. So if you're looking for a versatile stamp set, go with that one, and dies, I should say. So this is, let's see, 7 inches by 5.5 inches cardstock scored at 3.5 to make a slimline card. And then, so this piece is 8.25 by 3.25, or no, hang on, 8 3/8 maybe? It's just 1/8 shy of the actual slimline card. I am using Memento Tuxedo black ink. My camera does not like the white card here, so sorry about that. It does come back into focus in a second. And so I'm putting the little church on the right-hand side. And this is not my design. I am copying this from the artisan design team, I believe. So, and I really like the idea of the slimline card because I can get this Merry Christmas sentiment on the middle of the card. So I inked it up with Granny Apple Green, and I am using a dauber and daubing on Lost Lagoon. So I chose Lost Lagoon because A, I have a lot of it, B, I like it as a color, and I'm going to color the houses using Lost Lagoon and Pool Party. So the one mistake that I did in this card design, it was not really a mistake so much as I stamped the same house twice, and I meant to use all 3 houses for all 3 of these cards, slimline cards. So what I ended up doing is making a 4th. So I will share with you my mistakes because I make mistakes. I just have the ability to edit it out. So as you can see, I'm inking up the word Christmas and Lost Lagoon for the word Merry. And I will continue coloring in for the rest of this video. And just because I'm exhausted and you might just want to sort of just chill out and grab a tea or coffee and watch some of the coloring without me blabbering on for the most part. So I might leave you in a little bit to enjoy the coloring. But first, I did ink up with Memento Tuxedo black ink the trees. Honestly, I did not notice that I stamped this house twice, and I wanted to get the house that had 2 houses as well. But anyway, you'll see a 4th card front appear, and you will see that it gets colored as well. And I make a 4th card. So I had only intended to do 3. All right, so the colors that I have here, I didn't use Shaded Spruce. This is Granny Apple Green. I used Smoky Slate. I used Real Red for the bow. I used Lost Lagoon. I used Lemon Lolly for the windows. I used Gray Granite for the stairs. What else? Pecan Pie and Crumb Cake for the doors, the trim, Granny Apple Green for the trees. I kept it simple, and I'm going to let you enjoy the coloring, and I'll pick you up at the end. All right, the coloring has finished, and here is my favorite adhesive, my tear tape. I am putting it on all four sides and of the card front, and I will attach these again to the slimline cards. So if you didn't get the measurements for that, it is 7 inches by 8.5. So 8.5 wide and 7 inches tall if you want scored at 3.5. And I will just double check. I think it's 8 3/8. 8 3/8 wide and 3 3/8 tall for the card front. I use Pool Party for that snow too, in case you're wondering. But anyway, you guys, I am working late nights at the salon, and I'm hoping to catch up tomorrow. I do apologize that this video was late. I hope you're not bothered. It's just the way it is. I'm kind of exhausted. It's 1:30 in the morning, and I'm doing this voiceover, and I know I am late getting there. But anyway, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for commenting and subscribing and thumbs upping and all the YouTube things, because that helps the algorithm and it gets me out to more people. So I appreciate you, and I hope you have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.